Hello everybody, my name is Vuyo Mafata. I am the Managing Executive for COID and AIT at Mutual Assurance. Small-scale mining and illegal mining, this topic is quite important for RMA as a specialist occupational health administrator with over 130 years of experience. We have seen over the years how formalization of employment in the sectors that we operate actually contributes towards making sure that workers in those sectors have adequate social protection. The workers are the heartbeat of the economy. They are the heartbeat of everything that pumps the South African economy. And the mining sector being one of the most important in the development of South Africa's economy, we think that all workers in the sector should have adequate protection, should have health and safety systems in place to make sure that we minimize incidents, and where incidents do occur, the severity of those incidents are within manageable limits. So I think access to social protection doesn't only benefit workers, but it also benefits the communities in which they operate. If you look at the work that RMA has done in the mining communities where we operate, we've made sure that the communities and the beneficiaries of the workers in the sector actually gets to benefit from the proceeds of the investments that we make with the premiums that we collect from the sector. Programs such as training, giving bursaries to kids in the communities, helping with social and vocational rehabilitation to help reintegrate those workers back into their communities, integrating them back into the economy. So for workers who operate outside these protection measures, then basically those communities and the workers in those areas don't have these benefits that are enjoyed by those in the more formalized mining activities. Well, so institutions like RMA are important in that they contribute in 4 key areas in such sectors, right? One, we believe that preventing accidents is the best form of social protection, right? So playing a role in contributing towards employers maintaining safe and healthy workplaces. Secondly, it also ensures that there's income continuation in an event that a worker is unable to continue working as a result of an occupational injury or disease. Thirdly, such institutions also contribute towards helping integrate workers back within society, integrating them back within employment in an event that the severity of the injuries that they would have sustained are such that they're not able to get back into their old employment. With the work that we do, we're actually then able to help them get back into society and get back into some form of income generating capacity, be it as an entrepreneur or being re-employed in other areas where these newly acquired skills can actually be utilized. So at RMA, while the compensation for occupational injuries and diseases is legislation that is aimed at making sure that workers get adequate social protection, we do also work with employers to make sure that, one, we enable employers to actually comply with legislation. Some of the initiatives that we've employed here at RMA to make sure that we encourage compliance amongst employers is individualized risk rating, to make sure that employers pay premiums that are aligned to the risk environment in which they operate. And this has seen a large number of employers who actually pay assessment rates and fees that are below the regulated tariffs that are provided for. We also invest in prevention programs to work with employers to support them in implementing occupational health and safety measures to make sure that workplaces remain safe. We then also work with employers in making sure that we assist workers to access training, especially in environments where workers are not able to get back to work, to help in making sure that we can reskill the worker, that they can then, that skill is not lost to the company, in making sure that they get reskilled and can actually be able to utilize their skills within the company for the benefit of the company itself as well. So at RMA, one of the things that makes us unique as an entity is that we probably the only company in South Africa that can actually offer protection for workers for incidents that happen both at work and outside of work, and actually be able to support the whole COID ecosystems through a myriad of products that we have and what we call our integrated group value proposition, where we actually able to provide insurance for incidents at work, insurance for incidents outside of work through our group risk and funeral products, and also provide administrative and technology support for employers as well as statutory institutions that are tasked with providing occupational health administration and occupational injury administration, both here in South Africa and across the continent. Well, the partnership between the Department of Employment and Labour, the Compensation Fund, and Rand Mutual Assurance is a testament to how well a public-private partnership initiative can actually go a long way towards solving worker issues. If you look at the work that we've been doing with the department and the Compensation Fund in the mining industry, you can actually see how bringing all the stakeholders within the sector, both organized labor, the employers in the sector, and the support of Department of Employment and Labour and Compensation Fund, we've actually been able to make sure that the RMA's customer value proposition actually does what it's mandated to do in terms of its license, to make sure that workers in the sector do get protection in the event that they need it most. Well, as we embark on this important topic that affects the communities in the areas where our clients and where most of our beneficiaries are, RMA is a specialist occupational health administrator and a specialist provider of occupational health IT solutions. We have positioned ourselves to provide solutions that the industry requires, to make sure that while we look at the policy environments, we also look at making sure that those policy environments adequately protect and cover workers in events that they need the protection the most. So as we look at the issues affecting the sector, one of the most important things we can do is to make sure that whatever measures, policies, resolutions we come up with, the worker is at the center of all, because they are the heartbeat of South Africa's economy, and without the workers, we wouldn't have a country that we have now.